In this video, I'm going to show you how to remote play your Xbox on your mobile device. So I have the Xbox app. I need you to download this as well. From here, open the Xbox application. You can see I'm now inside the Xbox application. I'm also giving you my Xbox home screen on screen as well. So from here, I'm going to select this button right here, the library. In the library, I want you to be over on consoles. You have three options: captures, games, and consoles. Select consoles. From the consoles menu, where it reads Xbox, select your Xbox. Now, this is the important part. You have three options: remote play on this device, open remote control, manage console and games. I'm going to select manage console and games. Now I have the option to select remote play. Select remote play. It's giving you a message about your connection. Read this if you want the best experience when remote playing. I'm going to select continue because I've already read this. Now my mobile phone will begin to connect to my Xbox console. Check this out. We're about to remote play Xbox on mobile. Let's go, baby. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. Ready? Let's get in there. Boom. Right now, connecting to Xbox. Almost there. Boom. Lil Rascal 0121 has started playing remotely. So I'm now connected to my Xbox console and you can see that right there. And I can move using the on-screen controls right there. And it also gives you the A, X, B and Y button, as well as the RB, LB, right trigger and left trigger. So you can actually start playing your Xbox on your mobile device. Don't forget to subscribe. There's more where this came from. I'm going to open up Assassin's Creed Valhalla right now by selecting the A button. Let's go. Now it's going to ask you two options. You can use your controller or you can continue with the basic touch. I'm going to select continue with basic touch because that will enable me to use those on-screen controls in the game. So I won't need to use my controller at all right now. I can just simply continue from here. There's more where this came from. I'm going to play some Assassin's Creed Valhalla on my mobile device. Let's go. Just blur out that notification there from YouTube. But you can see that I'm now playing Assassin's Creed Valhalla on my mobile. I'm just going to go into this now to show you it works. So I'm using the on-screen controls. Right, start game, press A. Boom, jumping into Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Let's go. Remote play on Xbox. All day, baby. Don't forget to subscribe. Right, so we're just loading now. There is a slight loading screen when you start Assassin's Creed Valhalla if you're not using your quick resume, of course. Now look at that. The text is actually slightly bigger right now. I don't know if I've changed that or it's just me just doing this because it looks slightly bigger. I'm checking for add-ons. It's just still loading up. I'm just waiting for it. There we go, baby. So I'm going to select continue. At the top, I just need to move to the right. I'm doing this while I'm in this position. There we go. Selecting A. Yes, I'm bassing right now. Good point. I am bassing right now in Assassin's Creed Valhalla. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Remote play on Xbox. Right now, Basim is outside of the Animus. As you can see right there, remote playing Xbox console. If you've enjoyed this one, smash that thumbs up. Give me a big one, baby. It's Friday when I'm recording this, so let's get hype. This is sick. Remote play on your freaking phone, baby. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.